Okay, I'm just going to give you a rundown on what we're going to do. So I want you to go outside and either find a tree, or you could find a pole. So just get my tree drawn. Okay, you could find a tree, you could find a light pole, you could find possibly a roof, or you could do like footy posts or soccer posts. Okay. Now what I'd like you to do is go quite a distance back, and I want you to mark a point A with your witch's hat. So get the witch's hat and just mark a point A. Then one of your friends needs to stand at point A, and they need to get onto the ground, okay, and they need to get their eyes, and once they're on the ground they need to like lying flat on the ground, they need to actually look up towards the tree. Like that. So what you're actually looking at there, that's like the angle of elevation. So look directly up to the tree. Then you need to get another friend, and you need to get the other friend, and they need to stand, and you need someone else helping this, and you need to direct them. So this person needs to keep moving until when they move, the top of their head will be in line with this line of sight that is going up towards the top of the tree. Okay, so you want to get what we're aim here is, we're going to aim to get the height of that tree there. So we're trying to find the height of that tree. Okay, so on the ground then, you need to form some triangles. One will be your friend in the ground and you, and that's what this looks like here. And then the other one will be all the way up to the top of the tree, down to the ground and back to you. That's the bigger triangle. So it'll be this one here. Okay, so put H for where the tree is, so that's the height of the tree. Now, you then need to get the tape measures, and you need to measure along here. So you need to measure a point from the person at A. So this is the friend to you, and that's you. So you need to measure that distance. And then you need to measure your height. So you also need to measure this one. Okay, so now you've got the distance from A to you, and then you've got your height. So the next thing that you need to actually measure will be the distance from A to the bottom of the tree. So there's your A, and you then need to measure this distance here. We have the height of the tree, that's what we want to find. So I'm just going to do an example where we have like measurements like this. So let's just say your height was 1.6 metres, and this distance here was 3 metres. And then the height of the tree is H. We don't know that, that's what we're trying to find. And you found this here to be 9 metres. Okay, so once you've figured that out, we can actually use scale factor and similarity to find the height of the tree. So to find the scale factor, you get the side in shape 2, and you have to match it up with the side in shape 1. So there's 2, there's 1. So the things that match up here is this 3 metres. So just get a shaded one. The 3 metres matches up with the 9 metres, and the 1.6 metres matches up with the H. So that means the scale factor would be, shape 2 is the 9, shape 1 is the 3, so put 9 divided by 3, or 9 over 3, which is 3. So to get from there to there, you times 3. Now in your actual practical, this could be like not a very nice decimal, so just keep it in your calculator. And then to get the actual height, you get this 1.6, because that matches up with the height, and it's going to be 3 times as big. So you end up with the height of the tree being 4.8 metres. So I'd now like you to go outside. Just make sure that you tick off what equipment you have. Okay, so you will need like a witch's hat. you will need a tape measure, and it has to be of a reasonable size. And then you'll just need you, a friend, and it's probably good to have another person. So groups of 3 are probably all that you need and are ideal. If you need 4, you could probably do it with 4 as long as you're all helping each other and you have a go at a few of them. So a few different heights around the playground and the school. Please record this information on your sheet. And okay, that's 2-2. You'd also need a clipboard or something to lean on. I forgot about that. You'll need a calculator, so something to calculate with. And the other thing that you'll need is a pen or a pencil. So you need to show this equipment before you even make it out the door and tick off that you have all the equipment on your sheet. And please, when you come back in, please put your name on it and hand it in with all of your working out. Go and have some fun and good luck. Good luck with this task. Let's see who can get similar heights for the same objects, and let's see how many different ones we can measure.